Hi everyone, we had a connection problem there, but we're back in action. I've got my gardening gloves on, they're very jazzy, and then I'm going to dig in with my hands. Let's get dirty. So let's put the soil into our pots. So you don't have to be perfect at this point. We've got it all on a tray so I can scoop up any soil that's left. So we're filling all our little pots. There's some things that on the seed packet, some stuff you grow indoors and some stuff you do outdoors. So we've got loads of these things. Is that upside down? Yeah. So all of this stuff. So your sprouts, your onions, your radishes, your carrots, your beetroots, you sow directly outside. So have a look at that. On the back of your seed packets, it'll tell you all the details of when to sow it. Some of the stuff you can sow indoors, so tomatoes, peas, mange tout, all of that stuff you can sow indoors, but some of it you can sow also, you've got the option to sow it a bit later as well, and some of it you can sow outdoors. Sprouts and things like that will come up more near Christmas. That's why they're a Christmas food. I don't know how many of you like sprouts. They're not my most favourite thing, but my husband loves them. And my stepmother's been known to eat a cold sprout sandwich. So don't tell her I told you. So yeah, so let's put these in. We've filled these up. Fantastic. So, and I'm going to take these gloves off because I can't do a lot with these on. I prefer to be able to feel what I'm doing. So I think we're going to get the tomato seeds for these. Oh, I love this one. This is Swiss chard. So this is a nice rainbow chard one, and we grew that one year in our back garden and it was beautiful. Let's have a look. Where's our tomatoes? So, oh, also it's sunflower season, so get planting your sunflowers already. Let's have a look. Oh, also, for those of you who like spinach, it's a good source of iron. You can grow spinach directly outdoors, and you continuously sow it. So let's get our tomatoes out. There we go. Oh, I like the name of these ones. They're called the Money Maker. So I love a Money Maker tomato. So I always wonder if it's cheaper to do your own tomatoes or to go to the supermarket. It probably is cheaper to go to the supermarket, but they don't taste as nice. Growing outdoors is so much better. And also for your well-being, to get your vitamin D fix from the sunshine is really important. So we're going to get our Moneymaker tomatoes out. So, and then we're going to, how long have we got left? I think we've only got 5 minutes left. So I'm going to plant some of these seeds. They come out really small. So let me show you how small they are. Can you see how small? They're tiny. So we're just going to sow a few in each of these pots. So I'm going to just sprinkle a few in each pot. And we're going to keep these indoors and just water them regularly. Not overwater them though, but just give them a bit of water to keep them going. So we're going to just sow a few. You can also save the seeds. You don't need to sow all of them in one go. If you just want a little variety of things. But do let me know if you've got any gardening questions. My dad's a horticulturalist, so if I can't answer them, he will. And we just want to encourage you all to get outside and in your gardens. Obviously we're in isolation, but if you've got a garden, make the most of sitting in it and getting some sunshine. So we've got our seeds in. And we're just going to sprinkle them on the top with some soil to cover them and press them down. So I'm going to do that with each of them. And then we're going to give them a good water and take them indoors to put them into one of our little propagators. So let's have a look. So that one we've covered. Great. So we've covered that one and that one. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to give those a little water. Can you see them? Ooh. Let me show you. These are all of our seeds. I put them down here. We've got them all there. So I'm going to give them a water, and then we're going to put them in a propagator. So we can do an update in a few weeks to see how well they've grown. So we'll give them a water out of my little robin. And then I'd love to see what you're all growing in your gardens this time. It'd be great to see all the different things that you're growing. I know one of our artists, Magdalena, has a fantastic allotment. So it'd be great to see that work as well, and to share gardening tips. We look forward to seeing you at our crafternoon slot today at 1 PM. Come prepared. We're going to be doing origami animals with Iona, and then our artist Nikki Dennett, who's a printmaker, is going to be doing our artist takeover on Artcore Gallery. See you soon.